Dear students of class 9, you have written one test that was from compound interest. As per your result and your answer, I observed that you had done common mistake in this topic, the difference between CI and SI for 2 years. So today we are going to discuss about this doubt of compound interest. Before starting this, I want to say this trick will be applicable while the difference between these two, CI and SI, is for 2 years. So we shall try to derive one shortcut process. As we say, CI minus SI, CI of 2 years minus SI of 2 years here we can write CI of 2 years equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus 1, and here we will write P into R into T by 100. You know P is principal, R is rate of interest. This is the place of n. N means the number of years, that is 2 minus 1. This is CI for 2 years, and SI for 2 years I wrote P into R into 2 by 100. Let us simplify it. This P, here we can take LCM 100, here became 100 plus R whole square minus 1, and this will be 2PR we can say by 100. In the third step, P 100 plus R whole square by 10,000, square of 100 became 10,000 minus 1, and this side it became 2PR by 100. Here one more step we can write that P into LCM became 10,000. Here is 100 plus R whole square minus 10,000, bracket closed, and this side we have 2PR by 100. What is our aim? Our aim is to derive one formula, one shortcut formula through which we can solve the question related the difference between CI and SI for 2 years. Now, in this part, P this is 100 plus R whole square, so this is A plus, this is in the form of A plus B whole square. We break it, A square means 100 into 100 100 into 100, this became 10,000, plus b square plus 2 into 2ab, 2 into 100 into r, and here is minus 10,000 by 10,000 bracket closed, and this part 2pr by 100. So here we are seeing this is plus 10,000, this is minus 10,000 cancelled. So we have equal to p r square plus 200r by 10,000 minus, this is bracket closed, minus 2pr by 100. What we can write now? P we take common. Here is r square plus 200r by 10,000 minus p came common, so 2r by 100 is left. Close the bracket. That is equal to p, LCM became 10,000 r square plus 200r minus 2r, this two zeros cancel, both 2 zeros are left, so here will come 100. That side I don't have space, so we come to this side, equal to p r square plus 200r minus 200r by 10,000 bracket closed. So plus 200r and minus 200r cancelled. We have now p r square by 10,000. This became the shortcut formula we are going to use while the question is related with the difference between CI and SI for 2 years. This is the explanation of this shortcut formula. When we shall use this shortcut formula to solve the question, that time the concept of this formula should remain in your brain, so that you can say from where this formula is derived. This is nothing more, just I calculated these two formulae. This is CI of 2 years and this is SI of 2 years, and I proceeded it. I got the abbreviated form of this calculation as PR square by 10,000. So we say CI of 2 years minus SI of 2 years equal to principal into square of rate of interest by 10,000. This formula we are going to use to solve the questions those are given in your book. So, my dear students, we have prepared this trick Ci minus Si for 2 years is equal to PR square by 10,000 from the above calculation. That calculation was nothing more, just I calculated Ci for 2 years minus Si for 2 years, and as the simplest form I got that calculation PR square by 10,000. 4-5 questions are given in your book. Those we will solve using this trick, and I hope you will be able to get the answer within few seconds. So I hope this trick will be very time saving process for you. After practicing these questions, I hope you will not go through long process, so that you can save time in the examination. One more thing that I want to explain. You can ask the question, is this kind of trick or is this kind of process is allowed in the examination? I will say, obviously it is allowed. Any trick, if you use to solve the question that is time saving process, obviously all those tricks are allowed. You can follow it freely without any hesitation. So, in compound interest exercise 2.2, exercise 2.2, you have 2-3 questions. I want to say about question number 12, exercise 2.2, question number 12. The question is the difference between simple interest and compound interest compounded annually on a certain sum is rupees 448. Ci minus Si for 2 years is given, that is equal to rupees 448. Second, rate of interest is 2%. R%, in short we write R%. R% equal to 8% per annum, we say, and time is mentioned, that is 2 years. Again I want to repeat at this place, this trick is applicable when you are asked Ci minus, your question is related with Ci minus Si for 2 years. This is mandatory, time should be only 2 years. These informations were given in the question. Difference between Ci and Si for 2 years equal to 448, and rate of interest is 8% per annum. We are asked find the sum. P equal to what? We use this formula. Ci minus Si for 2 years equal to PR square by 10,000. Ci minus Si for 2 years equal to rupees 448. That is equal to, P is asked to find out, P into R square. R is 8%, square means 2 times will multiply it, by 10,000, right here 10,000. Now the simplification of this, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. We can cut it. We can cut numerator and denominator. We can cut numerator and denominator with denominator. In shortcut, we can cut numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, while these two parts are separated by the symbol of equal to. Directly I cut it from here. 8 5s are 40, 4 8 48, 8 6 48. One more is left. 8 7 56. So now we do cross multiplication. Here denominator is 1. Denominator of this rupees is 1. By cross multiplication we are getting P into, for your understanding I gave here 1, P into 1 equal to P, and that is equal to, these two will be multiplied in cross multiplication. 10 7 70,000. In 2 steps we got the value of P. We'll see more questions. Next question is question number 13. In question number 13, given informations are the difference between CI payable annually and SI on 50,000 for 2 years is 125. CI minus SI for 2 years is equal to rupees 125, and in this question principal is given, that is equal to 50,000 rupees. 50,000 rupees 50,000. We are asked find the rate of interest per annum, means R% equal to what? We use that formula, CI minus SI for 2 years equal to PR square by 10,000. So here CI minus SI for 2 years is rupees 125, that is equal to P is 50,000 rupees 50,000, and R square, that is not given, we are asked to find out. Denominator is by 10,000. We will calculate it. 4 zeros cancelled. 5 25s 125. Therefore R square equal to 25, or implies that R square equal to 25. Therefore R equal to root over 25 means 5% per annum. So very shortcut process that you can calculate the question within few seconds while you use this kind of trick. CI minus SI for 2 years equal to PR square by 10,000. One more question is given in the example. For that also we will use this process. That is example 26. Before 2.2, so many examples are given before exercise 2.2. Among those, one is example 26. In this example, informations are difference between CI payable annually and SI on 8,000. Principal is given, that is equal to rupees 8,000. And difference between CI and SI for 2 years is rupees 20. CI minus SI for 2 years is equal to rupees 20 rupees 20, and we are asked to find out rate of interest R% equal to how much. These informations are given. Again we will use the same trick. CI minus SI for 2 years equal to PR square by 10,000. So my dear, what are you seeing? In all these questions the time was given 2 years, so we are able to apply this trick. For other number of years, 3 years, 4 years, this trick will not be applied. This is especially for 2 years. So what is problem? You are able to solve 4 to 5 questions of your exercise using this method, and while you go through traditional method, that is very time consuming process. So let us apply this formula. CI minus SI for 2 years equal to PR square by 10,000. CI minus SI for 2 years is equal to rupees 20. That is equal to PR square. P is given rupees 8,000. R square, that is asked to find out, R is asked to find out, and denominator is 10,000. So this 000 and this 000 cancelled. Now we can cut it 2 4 ja, 2 5 ja. These two also we can cut. 4 5 ja, 20. Now these two will be multiplied, implies that R square by cross multiplication we are getting 25. Therefore R equal to 5%. So always we find in few seconds the answer. And one more trick that I have applied in this question, you can cut numerator and denominator you can cut numerator and numerator if those two are divisible and separated by equal to. This numerator and denominator you can cut, that is that is the old method. But we can cut a numerator and a numerator if these two are divisible and these two are separated by the symbol of equal to. This trick is also a time saving process, time saving trick. So I followed all this and I got all these answers in few seconds. So main trick was CI minus SI for 2 years equal to PR square by 10,000. So in today's discussion of today, we got this trick from the calculation of CI for 2 years minus SI for 2 years, that became the simplified form as PR square by 10,000. Then I applied this trick in 3 to 4 questions to get the answers, and during calculation I used this trick to cut numerator and numerator if those are divisible and separated by equal to. And you are free to cut this numerator and denominator of the same side, but here also we can cut numerator to numerator. If here will be denominator, we can cut denominator to denominator if these are divisible and separated by equal to. So this was the shortcut process to get the answer. That was the doubt. As I observed, many of you had done mistake. That question was related with CI minus SI for 2 years in the test that was held related with the compound interest. I hope you will follow this trick to save your time, and for your confidence you should practice once using this trick to solve the questions those are given in compound interest exercise 2.2. Once you solve by your own, that through that your confidence will increase. So thank you everybody.